Hello students, today I am going to solve this question. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So first we will draw a rough figure of the given data. We have to draw a circle of radius 5 cm and we have to draw a pair of tangents. Suppose P is any point outside the circle and we have to draw tangents which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. This is a rough figure from which we will get an idea how to draw the figure. There are two methods of solving this question. In this video I am going to tell you first method. It is clear from the figure that angle Q and angle R are 90 degree each. Why? You know that tangent is always perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. If we get PQ and PR as perpendiculars, then it is clear that PQ is perpendicular to OR because tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Similarly, angle PRO is also 90 degree. And now you have a quadrilateral OQPR in which you know three angles, so you can easily find fourth angle, angle RQO. By angle sum property, sum of all angles, suppose this is angle X, sum of all angles is 360, right? So we can find fourth angle by solving this 360 minus sum of all these, and thus that comes out to be 120 degree. So we have X as 120 degree. Now we will start our construction. First we will draw a circle of radius 5 cm. After that, take any radius, let OQ. You can draw a line, segment QO. It is already 5 cm because we have drawn the circle as a radius of 5 cm. Now from this, you can construct an angle of 120 degree. How? You know how to construct an angle of 120 degree on QO. Let me recall your previous knowledge. Suppose this is OQ and can you see this? Okay, let me draw a little upward. Suppose this is OQ and you have to draw 120 degree. How will you do it? You will take an arc of any radius and with the same radius, first of all take an arc with center O, take the compass needle at O and draw an arc with the same radius, and from this point draw an arc and again with the same radius draw an arc, and if you join this point of intersection and O, you will get this angle as 120 degree, right? So here we can do the same procedure. Our line segment is OQ. From O we have to construct 120 degree. So we will take an arc here like this with the same measure and again same measure, we will get 120 degree. Let this be point of intersection. So this is R point and QOR is 120 degree. Now what we have to do? We have to construct 90 degree on QO at point Q. For the construction of 90 degree, you can repeat this procedure after constructing 60 degree and 120 degree. If you bisect these two angles, 60 degree and 120 degree, then you will get 90 degree. This also you have already done in previous questions. For you have to take compass needle at this point, take an arc, and with the same radius, take another arc, and you will get 90 degree. So you have to repeat this procedure of constructing 90 degree at Q like this, and you will get like 90 degree here And then the same way you have to construct 90 degree on PR with R as the point where you have to construct 90 degree. So we'll take the arc, then same measures, and we'll join them, we'll join them. Let the point of intersection be this much. So we got P point, which is the required point, and you can check by using your D that this is 60 degree. Okay, this is the construction of tangents. We have constructed PQ and PR as tangents to the circle, and these tangents are inclined at an angle of 60 degree. Okay.